2014 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, OnStar, heated seats, navigation system, DVD system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.